What if your next Starbucks drink wasn't made by a barista, but by a robot? Starbucks is rolling out automation and robotics across its stores, not to replace workers, but to serve more customers, faster, with better consistency. And this move could reshape how the entire food and beverage industry operates. In this video, we're breaking down what Starbucks is actually deploying, why they're doing it, how robots improve speed, accuracy, and profits, and what this means for customers and workers. Starbucks isn't just a coffee company. It's one of the world's largest quick service operations, serving over 100 million customers per week globally. But the company has been facing serious challenges: longer drive-through lines, rising labor costs, high employee turnover, increasing order complexity from mobile apps. Today, customers expect custom drinks, mobile ordering, drive-through pickup, faster service. The traditional cafe workflow wasn't built for this scale of complexity, and that's where robotics comes in. Starbucks leadership has made it clear: automation is about removing friction, not removing people. Robots handle repetitive tasks so baristas can focus on customer service, speed, and quality. Starbucks isn't deploying humanoid robots walking around cafes. Instead, they're integrating task-specific robotics and automation systems behind the counter. Here's what that looks like. Automated espresso machines. New machines automatically grind beans, tamp shots, and pull espresso with perfect consistency, reducing errors and speeding production. Robotic milk, steaming and frothing systems. Milk-based drinks like lattes and cappuccinos take time. Robotic steamers automate temperature control and foam texture, delivering consistent results every time. Cold beverage and ice handling automation. Cold drinks and refreshers now use automated dispensing systems that handle ice and liquid ratios faster than manual prep. Automated order routing and staging. Robotic systems connect directly to mobile and drive-through orders, routing drinks to the correct pickup area with minimal human coordination. Instead of baristas juggling multiple machines, robots create a smooth assembly line workflow similar to what's already happening in advanced fast food kitchens. Here's where things get interesting. Robotics directly impacts Starbucks' biggest bottleneck: throughput per store, meaning how many drinks a store can produce per hour. With automation, drink prep times drop. Errors and remakes decrease. Peak hour capacity increases, and drive-through wait times shrink. Starbucks has already reported faster order fulfillment, higher customer satisfaction, and better consistency across locations. In high-volume stores, robots allow Starbucks to handle surges from mobile ordering, delivery apps, and drive-through traffic simultaneously without overwhelming staff. This effectively increases revenue per store without needing more square footage or more labor hours. Contrary to the fear headlines, Starbucks isn't eliminating workers. They're reshaping roles. Instead of repetitive drink prep, constant machine cleaning, and rushed multitasking, baristas focus on customer interaction, order accuracy, speed of service, and hospitality experience. Automation reduces burnout and turnover, a major cost driver in retail and food service. Starbucks leadership has stated that robotics allow them to invest more in training, retention, and customer experience, not layoffs. In other words, robots become co-workers, not replacements. This robotics rollout is part of Starbucks' larger digital transformation strategy, including mobile ordering and loyalty apps, AI-powered demand forecasting, smart inventory management, and high-efficiency store layouts. Starbucks is essentially becoming a tech-enabled food service platform where robotics handle production and humans handle relationships. And this gives Starbucks a huge competitive advantage: faster service than independent cafes, lower operational costs than traditional chains, and higher consistency across thousands of locations. This is how Starbucks scales premium coffee without sacrificing speed. Starbucks is setting the playbook for what's coming next across retail, restaurants, and hospitality. Robots in kitchens, AI-driven workflows, automated prep stations, and human-centered customer experience. This isn't about replacing workers, it's about redesigning work itself. And Starbucks is proving that automation doesn't make service colder, it makes it faster, smoother, and more reliable. So the next time you grab a latte from Starbucks, there's a good chance a robot helped make it, quietly, efficiently, and behind the scenes. And this shift isn't just about coffee, it's about how the future of retail gets built. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you trust a robot-made latte? I'll see you in the next video.